when someone says to you, oh, what did you get up to yesterday, like in the evening, or what did you get up to on the weekend? What do you say? Seriously, because my answer is always nothing. Literally nothing. And I think we need to change that, you know? Hi everyone, it's Eden-Olivia. I hope you're well. Yeah, I need to figure out what my hobby is. It's time. I'm a grown gal now. Well, no, not really. I feel like a grown woman is like 35 plus, but anyway, we move. Yeah, I feel like it's time that I try and figure out what my hobby is. Now, YouTube is my hobby. However, you can have more than one hobby, you know? And today we're gonna try and figure out what mine is. Because yeah, I'm kind of bored. People asking me like, what did you get up to in the evening? Or what did you get up to on the weekend? And my answer is just nothing. Even before lockdown, it was still nothing. Like, I don't know what I do. Watch Netflix and stuff, sleep, TikTok, Instagram. But yeah, I feel like I need to figure out something that's actually gonna benefit my life long term. So yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing today. Figuring out what I enjoy doing, because people have started businesses in lockdown. Like, people are, you know, doing productive, proactive things in lockdown, and it's time I do too. So that's what we're gonna be doing today. I saw a TikTok a good few months ago, can't find it, so I'm just gonna have to try and remember what they taught on making a candle. So the TikTok was basically how you can use like the old wick, you know, no, the old wax from old candles and like turn it into a new candle. So that's what we're going to be doing today. And who knows, I might be a candle maker by the end of this. That could be my business, who knows. So yeah, let's get started. Right guys, so I'm in the kitchen and I've got the equipment, well, the few bits that we need to make a candle. Let me show you. We have some wicks. I ordered these off Amazon. They were £2.79, I think. Very specific. So yeah, we've got the wicks and we've got all these little candles, these small little ones. I know there's like a tiny bit in there, but I feel like what a waste. So we're gonna make the most of these. We're gonna get its full use. I also need to get out the wicks of all of these, so this is going to be fun, but this could be our next hobby, so we're going to give it our all. Okay, so we're going to start by getting this wick out. This is harder than it looks. Oh, I think it's been glued down to the bottom. Okay, we're going to be doing this the hard way, but it's fine. The longer way, but we got this. So this is the biggest candle I have, or the biggest jar. So we're going to be using this as like the final product. I need to clean it, as you guys can see. But I'm going to put this in here. So we're going to put this one in here. And I'm also going to be putting in this one in here. So that we can melt the wax. And then we can get out the wicks. And I'm thinking, once this one's completely, you know, melted, well, both of them. Once I took the wicks out of this one, then I can pour this in there, wash this, and then pour that wax in there, and then start with all these as well. So yeah, that is the plan. So we're just going to let these boil for, I don't really know how long, until the wax is all melted. Woo! Okay, I feel like we can get that wick out. The wicks. Oh, it smells nice. So the wicks are out, the water is off, so I'm going to remove these and pour this wax into here. Okay, so I've washed it to the best of my ability. As you guys can see, it's not 100% clear, but you know, we got the majority of the wax out. So now we have our new jar. So we've got the wick. Let's get one of these. Now, I remember on the TikTok that they used, I don't know, I can't remember what they used, but I rang my nan a minute ago and asked her, how do I keep this here? And she said use a chopstick. So I'm gonna try and layer them so it's like white, pink, blue, green, yellow, whatever. Okay, now we're going to pour it into the main jar. Obsessed, there's nothing even in it. Right. This is what we have at the minute. This thing just keeps moving around, which is really annoying. But yeah, here's how much we have at the minute. We've poured in all the white candle wax. Not that much, but we're gonna leave it for a bit. So I feel like if we leave this, let it dry, and then once it's kind of dried in, then we can put on the next level so that they don't all like mix in. But yeah, that is what we're working with. Okay, I've managed to get out the wicks out of some of these small little candles over there. I did try to get them out of the candle with quite a lot of wax left, but it didn't help. So for those ones, we're going to be boiling. Okay, so now that the candle's dried, I'm going to be putting in the pink candles into the water to boil them. And we're just going to repeat until the candle's done, basically. We are done. The candle, I've cut the wick as well. Here we go. It isn't looking cute, not gonna lie, but this is what it looks like. So yeah, as you can see, there's like a little bit of wick in there. It smells good though. Also, can we discuss how it's not full to the top? But you know what? A candle's a candle, and we tried, and this is our final product. Happy with it? Not really sure about that. Let's light it. Let's get this thing going. Why is this not? Here we go. Oh, little homemade candle. Go us. Yeah, I'm happy with this. This is part one of this series because that was fun, but I don't see myself doing that like every week. And it did take a good few hours. So yeah. But yeah, happy I did this. I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Maybe you too have learned how to make your own candle with leftover candles. I'm sure that's good for the environment, or good for, I don't know, good for you, so you don't have to keep buying more candles when you can already make your own one. Yeah, anyway, again, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, please make sure that you like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.